Download VideoProc Converter AI using the link in the description. Once it's installed, you'll see an interface like this. We'll choose Super Resolution. This option helps us add 4K quality to our video. Here, a new window will open. You can simply drag and drop your video like this. After importing, the software will automatically start processing your video. As you can see, it has already enhanced our clip compared to before. Notice the clear quality difference. Now, from here, enabled interlacing for a smoother result. Next, choose 4K resolution for even better output. You can clearly see the improvement. The original clip looks blurry, while the enhanced one appears sharper and more crystal clear. From this section, you can also select any AI model you prefer. I'll keep it on Gen Detail V3. Finally, for exporting, choose the highest quality settings and click Run. And that's it. Here's the final result. We'll be adding CC to this video in CapCut, so make sure to watch till the end. Now let's talk about the next feature, frame interpolation. Click on it, then drag and drop your clip here. This feature makes your video's motion smoother and more natural. From this section, you can increase your video's FPS from 2x up to 5x. I'm choosing 3x. So the video's frame rate will increase to 90 FPS, as you can see. You can even go up to 150 frames per second. But I'll keep it at 3x for this video. Now let's move on to the next feature, Image AI. This feature upgrades blurry or low-quality images and enhances them up to 4K quality. So let's try it out. Drag and drop your image, and it will start processing automatically. You'll instantly notice the difference between the before and after images. The improvement is clear. To make it even better, click on Resolution, let it process again, and you'll see the image quality has improved even more, much sharper and more detailed than before. Now, let's move on and add CC to our video.